Our first module mentions some of the main parties involved in the registration process. In this section, we'll go into a little more detail on some of them. Medical devices in Mexico are regulated by the Federal Commission of Protection of Sanitary Risks, better known as COFEPRIS. COFEPRIS handles medical device reviews, approval, and post-market monitoring. A third-party reviewer is an independent company authorized by COFEPRIS to conduct reviews for Class 1, 2, and 3 devices and pre-approve the application. They can only review standard route applications, renewals, as well as administrative and technical modifications. When the third-party reviewer is satisfied with the registration dossier, they provide a technical report and recommendation to COFEPRIS. You as the manufacturer have a number of responsibilities beyond the product itself. For example, you must prepare a letter of representation for your Mexico registration holder. You're also required to write a letter of appointment for your chosen distributor. Foreign manufacturers must appoint a Mexico registration holder to serve as an in-country representative. The registration holder must be located in Mexico. They coordinate device registration submission, serve as regulatory liaison between you and COFEPRIS, and control your device registration. The Mexican market represents an excellent opportunity for companies as it's primarily an import market, but distributors have specific territories, so selecting the right one is critically important. If the distributor is identified prior to submitting your registration dossier for review, you can begin shipping to them as soon as the registration is approved. If one is identified after the registration has been approved, a formal modification will need to be requested to add them as an importer. Most distributors cannot adequately cover all of the 3 largest cities. It's worth your while to evaluate distributors based upon your needs. Up next, we'll delve into the different registration routes available to manufacturers in Mexico.